Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 4 of my videos on practicing control structures in C++. In this part we will perform two tasks based on switch practice. Task number 7 is basically about creating an arithmetic calculator using switch statement. In this program, ask the user to enter two numbers and the operator. If the user enter plus, then sum two variables and print result. If the user enter minus, then subtract the two variables and print the result, and so on for multiply, divide and modulus. Task number 8 is to write a program that asks the user to choose the vehicle for parking and the number of days and display the total charges. The menu will be to ask the user to enter C for car, M for motorcycle and B for bus. The per day charge for car is 30 rupees, per day charges for motorcycle is 20 rupees and the per day charges for bus is 40 rupees. You have to display the total charges depending upon the number of days and the vehicle user have selected. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C and C++.